here like that. From
Okay.
here.
Okay. Layer, soya layer.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Good morning, good afternoon, and tararan! Sleeping time. Kumusta mga kabayan? How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark. You between my arms. Aywa. Barefoot on the grass, listening to my favorite song, and the song and song, the song, and song and song and song and singing. You give me shoes today. I found a woman. She gave me a shoes today. New, bago. And she said my dreams are whole someday. She said my dreams, Adidas today. Yeah, I found the woman. Your shoes are beautiful, the color beautiful. She said my dreams are whole someday. I see my I found the woman I want is a beautiful. She said my dreams are whole someday. I see for home. I found the love I want. How many inches, madam?
Let me say 2.
2 inches? Aywa.
Show me.
Aywa. Okay? Okay, alright. Tarungo na ako kay naghatag na ba siya sapatos? I tell in Tagalog, I cut good because you give me shoes.
Of course. You're the best.
Aywa, happy. Bismillah. Lasim, Bismillah. Because of, if you tell Bismillah, your hair is tomorrow is very fast long. Mashallah. Aywa. Okay, alright. Aywa. Turing. Liz, you have energy today because of the shoes. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark. You between my arms. I cut the hair of madam. Kasi binigyan niya ako og sapatos. Sapatos, madam, shoes. Shoes. Sapatos. In Philippine, sapatos. In English is shoes. Sapatos. Shoes. Alice crazy Majinun. Today Majinun. You know, in your front, I cut little only. Baby, Aywa. From this moment, life has begun. From this moment, you are the one right beside you. My customer say, tell me, your hair color, Alice, is beautiful. You are beautiful now. Because before, they tell me, before you are not beautiful. Now, you are more beautiful. Sa o lala? Sa, madam?
Yes, the
Oh.
color is making you younger.
Now, the color is making younger daw. Wow. Thank you, ma'am, for the... You tell me I'm beautiful. I'm younger. 60 years old.
And still beautiful.
Still beautiful. And
And you're looking young.
I'm looking young.
Than your age.
Huh?
Really, you're looking younger than your age.
Yeah, I'm looking younger because of my color. Love you, Mom. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mom, for the everything you give me shoes and nom 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 nom. You love me, I love you 3 times a day. And God bless.
7 times in a week.
3 times a week?
No, 7 times.
7 times a day. For me, only 3 times.